Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southern Harford County in northern Maryland, eastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Perry Hall, or 7 miles northeast of Woodring, and was moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kingsdale, Pleasant Hills, Bel Air, Perryman. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.